Hi, I'm Susan with Srstyle. I'm going to show you how to make banana bread, or sometimes people call it banana loaf, the easy way. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. And make sure you ring the bell, because once I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a great Loungefly giveaway. You don't want to miss out. Thanks for watching. Bye now. Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everyone's having a great day. We're going to be doing banana bread today. I already have the bananas mashed up. I'm using a potato masher. And that was a great idea from my hubby Ted. So thank you, Teddy. So we're going to be doing this by hand. Seems to work out a little bit better than in the mixer for some reason. And I already have my pan ready to go. And I have the oven at 350. So what I have in here right now is the bananas, the salt, the baking soda, the vanilla extract, and 1 stick of butter. All right, and 2 eggs. And I'll put all the ingredients in the description below just to make it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna mash all that together real good. And I do have my Pandora bracelet on. People were wanting a close-up of my charms. That's my winter bracelet, and it's the one that's adjustable, which I highly recommend because it works out pretty good. So if you have a lot of water and your wrist swells or whatever, you can just adjust it, and it's super easy to do. You just move it up and down, and that's the way you go. All right, so that's pretty good. All right, let's go ahead and do the sugar and flour. It's 2 cups of sugar and, 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of sugar. It does say cinnamon, but I don't really like cinnamon very much. But this was a pretty easy banana bread recipe. I got all the bananas at Walmart for $1. They're on the clearance rack for food. So I don't know if they have that in the States, but in Canada they do have it like a clearance rack. And the beeping of the oven is a 350, ready to go. All right, so let's go ahead and put in the 1 cup of sugar. Okay, that's 1 cup. Okay, 1 cup. And then we'll do 2 cups of flour, if I can talk today. So what do you guys like to bake? Do you like to bake, cook? And the orange muffins turned out really good, so make sure that you see the video on that, like and subscribe. It's always appreciated, and make sure you ring the bell because I upload videos quite often and you don't want to miss out on any of that fun. All right, so it's mixed up pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and take the masher out, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a wooden spoon. For some reason, wooden spoons work really good. I don't know why. If anybody knows, let me know. But this makes 1 loaf in this size, like a regular loaf pan. And you can get a lot of those loaf pans at like Goodwill. You don't have to buy like a brand new one. So you can save a little money doing that. And the consistency is pretty good, see? And I like these bowls because you can hold on to it. See, like on the side there? You can hold on to it and then tip it. And then really get in there to mix it up good. Now you can use a mixer, but for some reason, the mixer doesn't get like all the air. And apparently for bread, that's the way it works, basically. And also pre-sifted flour works the best for bread. Because I guess it has something to do with the lightness of the air for some reason. So if anybody has any tips and tricks on bread, let me know, because I'd like to start learning a little bit more about breads and baking and that kind of thing, because I'm just beginner. I'm not an expert or anything like that, so. But I have came a long ways. I used to not be able to cook anything, or everything was burnt up. I burnt toast. Pots and pans were burnt up. Yeah, kind of a nightmare. So I am getting a lot better. And really, it takes a lot of practice and a lot of patience, because I don't have anybody to really show me how to do it. So I'm kind of on my own when it comes to that. So I just basically do what I can, and away you go. All right, so that's pretty good. That's kind of what you want to see. Kind of it's a little bit sticky, but it's not too lumpy. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and fill the tin, put it in the oven. Yeah, and the weather here isn't the best. It was pretty sunny yesterday, but today it's starting to rain. Some of the hummingbirds came back, so that was cool. And some of the blue jays, so they all made it through the ice and snow, so that's good. And we even have a couple of new hummers that came by. All right, Ted just turned on the light. You like my banana bread?
Oh, yeah. Is it ready yet?
All right, I'll scrape that out, and I will let you see what the finished product is in a little while. So thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view, and I will let you know the outcome. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Yeah, there you go.
Where you want to put it?
Just Put it right there, it's good. All right, that's what the... Thanks, honey.
You're welcome. Start cutting.
That's what the banana bread looks like. When it's done, we'll let it cool for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then we'll dig into it. So it looks good.
We put the frosting on it.
All right, so I hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle. And that's my banana bread. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye now.